Okay.
Alright, let's spin you around. These are all very cute.
Honestly, the way they're growing, I really don't know how big they're going to be.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think these are probably the biggest 9-week-old puppies I've ever seen.
Oh, wow.
They're good. They're big size. God, everything with him looks and sounds good.
Okay, good.
Look how big his paws are.
Yeah.
I know, I was gonna say, I'm guessing you guys will be close to your dad's size.
Yeah.
Alright, who's
I was
next?
gonna say, we should have 2 left.
Okay.
No, it's getting hard to pick them out now. Have we done that one?
We done that one. We done this one. I think we got Raw and Biggie Smalls.
Yeah, that's the two we haven't done.
This one?
Yeah, that's Raw. Ra the Sun God.
Yeah, cheat. Maybe get a foot up there. And then maybe 21.
Yeah, 21. Just hard.
And the higher end.
20.9.
Yeah.
Just under 20.
I tell you what, they be going after each other.
Really?
Yeah, they did play really intense.